If you are looking for natural ways to fight your insomnia without having to worry about the harmful side effects that tend to go along with prescription medications, you will be pleased to learn that there are a variety of natural sleep aids on the market today. 1. Lavender oil. Take 20 to 80 milligrams of lavender orally each day, or use as directed. You may wish to add lavender essential oil to a diffuser or spray it onto your pillow. Lavender tea is also an option. 2. Valerian Root. Studies have shown that long-term use of valerian root can help you fall asleep faster, have deeper sleep, and improve overall sleep quality. Take a dose of valerian root extract before bed to help your body relax. 3. Drink a glass of warm milk. Warm milk is a home remedy that has been around forever because it does tend to work. You can also add honey to the milk for an added bonus. 4. Get a massage. A massage helps relax the muscles and ease tension in the body, and both of those things can help you get to sleep a bit easier. If there's someone in the house who can give you a massage before bed, try it out. 5. Meditation and yoga. Try doing a few easy yoga stretches about an hour before bedtime to help stretch and relax the muscles, and follow with a simple meditation. Sit in a comfortable position and close your eyes while concentrating on nothing else but your breathing. If you have any question, then discuss in our community or comment, like, share and subscribe our channel to get more videos.